Good morning and welcome to class, the late start class, Social Media for Business, and it's section 2021. This is what our homepage looks like. As you can see down here, there's a class schedule you can click on. It's a HTML page that you can go to. And I have it pretty well set up in place. I'm readjusting some of the assignments because things change so much all the time. So let's go ahead and look inside. Hold on. Be sure and read the syllabus. It has important dates on it, like when holidays are and when things are happening, a little bit about me and contact and all that stuff, but you can read this yourself. Here's some important semester dates. And the most important thing today is for you to check in and let me know that you're still taking the class. And I'm going to go to modules. So hold on. I share the class content and modules because that's what my department chair wants us to do. So this is the first one you'll see. It's an introduction and email check-in. So there's this. If you've already emailed me, you can check the grading and you should have 2 points if I've checked you off. And then there's an assignment introduction. I have some questions posted, and you can go to down here on this discussion and put your answers there. Some people put them in to however you load homework, but I prefer it on here because then other people can read it and they can comment and kind of this is how we build our class community. And then I also shared something about me if you want to know more about me and as a teacher and everything else that I do. Anyway, so this is where things will be. You'll usually have a couple of homework assignments in here. We do 2 assignments per week. I send one out generally on Mondays unless there's a holiday, and it'll be due on the following Thursday. And then on Thursday, I'll send another assignment out, and it will be due on Monday. And that's what happens most weeks. Most weeks you'll have, well, we do a lot of writing in class, just to give you the heads up, because writing is so important for social media, being able to write with kind of share your enthusiasm for whatever you're doing. If it's working for a business, you want to capture the attention of people watching you and listening and or checking out what you're doing, and your enthusiasm will come across, and then they will be more interested in what you're doing. So that's a big part of it. And once I get everybody checked in, and people start sending in links to, we're going to do a blog, so that'll be your next assignment. I will have a class links page as well for you to check out, but that'll be internal. So if you have any questions, email me. I try to be available. I do work 2 other jobs to keep, how money is. You've got to work hard. So we have a graphics business, and then we also have a brewery. So I do a lot of work there as well. So I have to work teaching around all that. But I like teaching this class because I learn probably as much from you all as you learn from me. So that's about all I have to say about welcoming you to the class, and I hope we have a lot of good time. There are, before I forget, there's some assignments that you have to do. I'll list that in the announcement I send out, but you have to check in. That's due by the end of the today so that it can keep you in class or know that you want to be here. And then you have to do the introduction assignment, which is just telling me a little bit about you and some of your social media use, but the questions are in here. And you just respond and fill them out, write them as paragraphs. I like paragraphs. And then you'll have to do the first assignment I send out probably, it'll probably be tomorrow because it usually takes me all day to get everybody checked in. So, because nobody's on the same schedule, everyone's on different schedules. So I hope that gives you a good brief rundown of what we're doing, and I'm looking forward to sharing the semester with you.